Invested interest. Pathway to prosperity. Love the social media buzz, but still waiting for it to pay off? Maybe it's time to turn your meme dreams into actual cash. Flow by creating a meme coin that could go viral.
Imagine somewhere, a Wall Street banker is sweating.
So, where do you start? First up, you'll need a solid meme coin concept. Think of a unique, hilarious idea that'll get people talking. Who's your audience? What's the vibe your coin will bring to the crypto world? Picture a coin dedicated to Monday blues or weekend warriors. Anything that resonates with a broad audience can be your ticket to viral fame. Next, choose the right blockchain. This decision is crucial because it affects transaction costs, speed, and your coin's scalability. For meme coins, cheaper and faster blockchains like Binance Smart Chain or Solana can be great options since lower fees make transactions smoother for your community. Once you've got your blockchain, it's time to pick a platform. This is where you'll actually mint and list your coin. Some platforms are beginner-friendly, while others offer lower fees or better scalability. Check out options like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, or ShibaSwap. Remember, keep your costs low so you can spend more on, you guessed it, marketing. Now for the fun part, creating hype. To make your meme coin truly profitable, it's all about building excitement. Get on social media, launch memes, create engaging posts, and maybe even partner with influencers who fit your coin's vibe. Think outside the box, memes, GIFs, even viral challenges. The goal is to get everyone talking about your coin. Creating a meme coin is more than just a digital joke, it's a chance to build something fun and potentially profitable. Which meme coin idea do you think would take off? Drop your ideas in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto and meme coin tips. Let's make MemeFi the next big thing.